graduated from this high school in 2018. In that final year of high school, we were given a challenge to develop a project applying everything that we had learned till that point. After a lot of brainstorming ideas, we decided to tackle a problem that we face every day, the daily commute to and from work, focusing in the never-ending search for an empty train carriage during the rush hours. At first, we thought of different ways to solve this issue, quickly realizing that what we really needed was information. We needed to know how many passengers were in each carriage, and we needed this information before the train arrived at the station. We needed it in real time and for it to be accessible from our phones. Now, counting people in a train isn't as easy as it sounds. There are many doors from where passengers can get on and off, and they could also move between carriages during the ride. This meant that the solution needed to be able to track how many passengers were inside each carriage as if one of us were to be in their counting. And that's where we thought of using AI. We knew developing a neural network from scratch was a bit out of reach for us, but with the help of teachers and some research, we figured out that we could use an existing AI and integrate it into our project, using it as an additional tool to reach our goal. That's what we ended up doing. We fed this AI with real-time footage of the train, and every 10 seconds it gave us back a count of the amount of passengers from each carriage. That's what we ended up doing. We fed this AI with real-time footage of the train, and every 10 seconds it gave us back a count of the amount of passengers from each carriage. This data was later used to feed the second leg of the project, the mobile app. Till this point, we only had the information, but we still needed to make it useful for everyone. And this is where the app came in. It read, analyzed, and showed the information in a color-coded system going from green to red to indicate the state of the next train to reach the station. This way, helping the passengers get to the emptier one. By the end of that year, we managed to finish the project, and in the way we learned the power of the AI as a tool to develop new ideas. 6 years later, I'm back here at the school, working in the technology department, where I have the opportunity to teach my own students about the same thing that I learned, how they can use the AI as a tool to learn and create.